long as we're gonna go in there and to watch the show and have dinner over here. We are here waiting to get in because we are here early. They don't open until 5 o'clock.
Family aloha!
Aloha!
Terrible. One more time. Family aloha!
Aloha! We have to go this way. We can go this way too. Hello.
Hi, aloha.
Aloha.
If you're not drinking alcohol, we have fruit punch at the end. But if you are, we have alcohol right at the start. Okay? So grab one and then head straight down, please.
Good. Follow these people. We do not know where we're going, but we just keep going. Follow the sign of the guy. How do we know what we're getting? Hello, thank you. How do they know what to give us?
No, because we didn't come in from the other side. How did I know? Huh?
Over here you can do tattoo. And we got our seat already. Wow, too bad. We sit over here. Wait, there. We don't have coconut trees. And then right there is the beach. People can access to the beach. And then more people coming in. I think this one first come, first serve. They don't reserve the seat like the one that we go last time in Germany. They give you, hello. Hello. Hi.
Hey, welcome to Paradise
Keep
Cove.
going, keep going. And then the food gonna be over there. I don't know that they have gift shop or not. Oh, you could buy something like this. Polynesian taxi. You guys want to take a picture? Yeah, the people come here take picture. Oh, it's dark. Yeah, it's dark. Oh, yeah, better. Paradise Cove. Stand behind the Paradise Cove right here. Hang on, I can see the stars here. Too dark. Oh, they're better. Where's my kid? Do they want to take picture? It's free. You just give them food.
Yeah, go get it. I think I did it.
No? I don't want to. Why you want alcohol already? they're doing tattoo like this, so pretty. And then we can go over here where they teach you how to swing some stuff. I think let's take a look. Come closer. Hawaii style. Go do it. Good job. Oh, that's okay. We should do forward, not backward. Whoa! Good job, good job. Not bad at all. Before they have women, beautiful people where you can take picture. I don't know what happened now. It's so different. This is where you get your drink. Oh my goodness, using the over here they teach you how to do lace. Right here. Oh, it's so beautiful. They're teaching you how to do it. This is where you pay the swing. It seems like nobody wanna pay. More people coming in now. Check that out. Where you wanna go do that?
I'll take a picture of you right
Hello, long is a Neton. And so check to
here. California.
second time. When you was like 3 years old. Oh no, not us. Go ahead, you guys. So my son is getting tattoo for tonight. It's only good for tonight. That's what they say. Let's see. Wow, so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me see. Wow, so beautiful. Look at that. You sure don't want 1K?
The night. Your second event, family, is going to be the Shower of Flowers or Tree Climbing Exhibition. There you'll be witnessing one of our native villagers attempt to climb to the top of the coconut tree and shower you all with beautiful Hawaiian flowers. So please make sure you do not miss out. Once again, please go ahead and follow the song of the Puru Conch Shell to your very first event, the Paneo Tai and Village. Welcome.